Hello everyone, I am Prantaputim Sarkar. Here I try to make your daily tasks more than more easier by telling you some technical facts. But today I can tell you how to set up Codeblocks. Codeblocks is one of the best IDE for C and C++ programming language. So don't wait for any further ado, let's get started. This tutorial will be a little more larger as we handle this type of topics. So first we open a browser, then type Codeblocks, then go to the codeblocks.org official website, then go to downloads, then go to download the binary release. Here is the most updated version 20.03, so we have to download it. Here is the some potential file, so we have to choose it for our best installation. If we download Codeblocks with compiler, we have to download this file, Codeblocks 20.03 MinGW setup.exe. We download from sourceforge.net. Download. After a few seconds, the downloading starts automatically. As I downloaded this file before, so I don't like to waste your time now. Close the browser. Here is the installation file. We're gonna set up it. So we double click on it. Next. I agree. Next. Install. Now look at carefully what I do. If you miss anything, the installation will be damaged. It takes little more time to set up it. Almost done. Do you want to run Codeblocks now? Yes. Next. Finish. The Codeblocks is starting. So you can see that Codeblocks give you a node to select the compiler. So I detect GNU GCC compiler. Now you can realize why I download Codeblocks 20.03 MinGW setup. I download this file, that's why I can detect GNU GCC compiler automatically. New interface of Codeblocks 20.03. Now we customize this interface. Oh, there is another pop-up. It asks Codeblocks is currently not the default application for C and C++ source file. Do you want to set it default? So I click yes. Associate Codeblocks with C and C++ file types. Then OK. Here we close some menu bar and tabs because we want to get enough place to handle the good number of code line at a glance. So first I close Management tab, then Codeblocks, Search Result. I just keep buildlog and build message because these two tabs show the errors of the codes. Now I right click on this particular area and uncheck this toolbar. Just keep compiler and main, okay? And so now we hold the right click on logs and other window and bring it to the rightmost until we get the blue shadow. Yes, we get it, so we drop it on it and resize the window. Little more. That's enough. You can bring these two tabs at bottom. Okay, and if you want to bring those tabs again for your own purpose, click any of these tabs and click toggle and check the uncheck. Now we open C format file. So we go to File, New, Empty File. Its shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+N. Okay, and press Ctrl O or go to File, Open, Desktop, .c format file. Okay, .c format file. Open. Here is my code now. If you want to enlarge the text size, we just hold Ctrl and press plus minus for the opposite, plus minus. Okay, now if you want to change the font, we just go settings, editor, general setting and choose. Okay, now we can select as our desire, such I select Ubuntu. You remember that the font size must be even number. Okay, 10, 12, 14 must be even number. Okay, I select 12, then okay. Now I run this code, build and run. There is no error. Okay, it is the map of my beautiful homeland. It is called the console page. Okay, you can customize it also. First we move this window like this. Now we click title bar of console page, then go to properties. Okay, then go font. You can change font of this page, console page, and bold also. Okay, can change font. We can also change the color of the console page, such. Then you go to layout and uncheck this and type this number again. Okay, then we resize the window again. As we change the font size, the window resize automatic. Close and build and run again. Now we can see the change. Okay, I do close. If you want more workspace in white, you can close, lock and other window. Just press F2, F2 again, F2, F2 again. Okay, what can you do more with Codeblocks? Actually, we can create some essential shortcut for coding betterment. Here I will give you 3 good shortcuts. Okay, therefore we go settings, then editor, and find keyboard shortcut. Okay, then I go file, can make a shortcut for save as file, Ctrl-Alt-S, add. We make sure that the key we will give here, it is not occupied by others. Then we go plugins and find source code formatter Astyle. It is very important command that we use frequently. So I will give a keyboard shortcut, suppose Ctrl-Alt-difference. Okay, and like this we can give more shortcuts as I wish. Then I can give some extra shortcut for settings, editor, suppose Ctrl-Alt or Ctrl-Shift-1, add. Okay, now I am talking about a plugins. Name, format, use Astyle. Actually, what is it? What it does? We can see here is a code and it was written very roughly. Okay, but when you use it, it gives a beautiful look, a well-arranged look. Just click right and go to format, use Astyle. Look, by this way we can find the bug, the error properly. Is it cool? Please keep your comment on comment box. Finally, we are talking about the color changing of ID. In this process, we can change the color of any text as well as background and foreground color. For this, we go to settings, go to editor, syntax highlighting. It is set as a default. Foreground color is black and background color is white. We can change it by reversing it. Foreground color is white. Okay, and background color is black. You can also change the keyword color. Okay, can bold or not, can italics or not. If you make your coding color like premium or professional, please hit the I button or check out my description box. I give you thanks to invest your time to see my videos. Oh no, don't say me welcome, rather you hit the like button if you like. If you don't, hit the dislike button twice. And to subscribe my channel if you want to be my best friend. Okay, bye bye.